What's up, YouTube stars? Today's video is how to get more LiveGood signups with this powerful marketing funnel. All right, so I came up with this video idea because lately a lot of my LiveGood team members, they've been asking, how do I get more signups and less pre-enrollees? Right? So people have been working really hard to get somebody to their landing page, but the people are only pre-enrolling. And that does not make them a member. That does not make you eligible to receive the commissions. All right. So in order to really just turn up and really elevate your whole LiveGood affiliate program, you want to get people to upgrade, right? So as you can see, I get a lot of website hits, a lot of hits to my website, a lot of pre-enrollees, but basically, some days, as you can see, it'd be 4 and then 2 upgrade, and then sometimes 2 will pre-enroll and 1 will upgrade. But you see that we get hundreds of people to the website in order to get these results. So let me show you how. All right, so first of all, you want to go to underneath this video. All right, go underneath the video, and you are going to be directed to this program here. So you want to watch this short video, okay? It's a all-in-one marketing funnel that is so robust, but this marketing funnel here, it's only $25, and it allows for you to buy leads, right? So say, because that LiveGood has the rule where you don't, I'm getting distracted with all the motion, but basically LiveGood has the rule where you cannot buy leads and send them directly to your landing page. So if you need a little bit of help getting LiveGood signups and you buy traffic, you must use a funnel first, right? So let me just show you an example of what my funnel looks like. This is an example of my funnel, right? So basically, I have one of my YouTube videos, but you could use a static picture. But basically, when I buy leads, because I do have the funnel that I just showed you, when I buy leads, people come to this page first. But then at the bottom, I say this page is operated by me and it's not an official LiveGood page. Therefore, LiveGood can't, there's no problem with me buying traffic or buying leads because I'm sending them to my landing page first. But once they click right here, like get started with residual income or whatever, they go to my LiveGood landing page at that point. So again, get unlimited LiveGood leads on autopilot. But your first step is to get your funnel. I'm all over the place. I'm sorry. I got a lot going on. But your first step, you come on over to this page. It's under the video. It says the world's first all-in-one digital business is the new, smarter, faster way to step into an insanely profitable business online. Oh, and another perk about this marketing system too is that anyone that signs up under you with this funnel, you would also make a commission. So it's really like a double whammy. All right. So let's now talk about some places where you can actually buy traffic or buy leads. So check this out. I'm going to leave this description under the video as well. Now, this website delivers 100 leads a day. Okay. So you simply, you just go in here and you email the people, and they have the email templates already prepared for you. Okay. So it's not even, takes me a couple minutes just to do. All right. So, also here's another place that you can get traffic, not robots, but real humans who are looking for an online opportunity, a way to make money online. I'm going to leave that link below as well. But again, your first step, get your funnel, set your funnel up, and it's really easy to do. I have a whole playlist of instructions on how you can quickly set your website up in just 5 minutes. Now, before you do that, I just want you to take a look and come over here. Log into your LiveGood website first, right? But I always say get familiar with all of these menu items at LiveGood. Get familiar and comfortable with all of those, because that tells you exactly what to do. So your first step after watching this video is you want to go over to statistics, because you want to view and see how many people are visiting your website every day. And my apologies too if I'm moving kind of slow. I haven't used this system in quite a while, or I haven't recorded any videos in quite a while. So but yeah, all you want to do too is when you order your website, you want to get that link right here under Powerline landing page. That's the link that you put on the landing page that you're going to create with that powerful marketing funnel. Okay, and it is powerful. Again, it's very easy to set up. So that's it for today, y'all. What I want you to do is tell me in the comment section, do you have a funnel for your LiveGood landing page? The reason that funnel is important is because if you were to buy leads and send them directly to your LiveGood landing page, you put your whole LiveGood business in jeopardy of being shut down, because LiveGood has a policy against doing that. So in the comment section, let me know, type need if you need a marketing funnel because you need more traffic, or type have it. If you already have it and it's working for you, let me know what your experience has been. Because just like I showed you, again, go over here to statistics. That's where you want to go. I think I said at first websites. Go over here to statistics, because you need to know how much traffic is going to your website every day, right? You got to know how much traffic, is going there. And if you go back to the beginning of my video, I showed you that. But okay, so basically, once you come over and click underneath this video and you click I want access for just $25, basically you enter your name, your email, your credit card number, and it tells you right here about all of the bonuses that you get. So it's a all-in-one digital affiliate partner package, right? And basically what you get is a funnel builder automation tool. You get a Funnel Builder Academy, which teaches you and gives you tutorials on, how to use the bonus features and functions. They also have an AI feature too, which is what I'm going to make a video about next. But again, hey, if you're already in LiveGood, make your LiveGood business blow up by, using some of these additional programs to drive more traffic to that landing page, right? If you've already, started the membership, you might as well get the most out of it, right? So here's another bonus that you get when you do join, right? You get done for you templates. You get an affiliate quick start guide. You get access to algorithms. You get affiliate marketing domination course. You get emails, professionally written email swipes. I mean, this is a total value of $12,411. It really is a robust marketing funnel. So go ahead and get started today. I'm Katina the Broker. I really appreciate you watching this video. All I ask for this amazing free information is that you click on like, give me a like, because it really does help the channel and it helps me to continue giving out free information. Oh, and guess what? I am not going away without giving you a stock. I got to give you a stock tip. Actually, let's go to, which one do I want to talk about today? There were so many this past week in the stock market. Continue watching if you want a really good stock tip, y'all. Oh, you know what I'm going to talk about? I got this tip. Let me tell y'all. Oh, I'm so glad you stayed until the end. I'm so glad you stayed and watched this video until the end. What I'm going to do is leave. Let me just tell you. So, I wish I had told you to watch until the end, but let me just tell you. I attended InvestFest. I want to say it was about 3 weeks ago. So InvestFest is basically where a lot of entrepreneurs, business owners, all of that, they come together to get more tools to improve and enhance their business. Long story short, Kathy Wood was one of the speakers. Now, if you just Google Kathy Wood, she's like one of the top women investors. Long story short, you are so lucky to have stayed and watched this video until the end. Hold on, I don't even know how to take this off of screenshot. Long story short, if you have heard of Bitcoin, if you have been hesitant about getting Bitcoin, you want to get Bitcoin now. Now is the time to get Bitcoin. Let me just type. Oh, wow, and it popped right up. I guess this is people trading Forex today. Because I'm like, why did it pop right up? If you've been hesitant about getting Bitcoin, now is the time to get it. Again, Kathy Wood, look her up, Google her. She's like the top woman stock investor, especially she's with ARK Investments. So she was there. She was one of the speakers. Check out XLM and XRP, y'all. It's still pennies on the dollar, right? But long story short, what I got from Kathy Wood speaking is that this Bitcoin ETF is gonna blow up. And I'm talking about blowing up real soon, like the beginning of 2024, possibly the end of 2023. So if you have been sitting on the fence waiting to get Bitcoin or XRP, you want to go ahead and get it now, because when it does become an ETF, you're going to be buying at the wrong time. So right now it's just kind of quiet. You know, people just kind of sitting back, waiting to see what's going to happen. Look how cheap XRP is, y'all. So XRP, this is the cryptocurrency that just won the lawsuit against the government. Okay? So, check out XRP, but look, check this out too. XRP is still not available to be purchased on Coinbase. So I am going to leave a link below on where you can purchase XRP right now. Okay? It's going to be my referral link. And again, all I ask from you guys from this amazing free information, give me a like, drop me a comment too if you feel like you got some real sauce, real game on this video. I would really appreciate it. But let me tell you, XRP, you want to head and get it now before December, because once it hits Coinbase, gets back listed on Coinbase, it's going to be too late. It's going to be too late for you to get really paid. And when that Bitcoin ETF comes out, you see where Bitcoin is right now, don't you? Hold on one sec. Uh-oh. Bitcoin. Hold on. Not crude oil. BTC. When you see this Bitcoin 25.8, I'm glad I am documenting the price right now. Watch where Bitcoin is at in December. Just watch. Keep following and listening about that Bitcoin ETF. Just watch what happens. Remember, I told y'all. All right, thanks for watching this video. There I go rambling. So I'm Katina Willis. Thanks for watching this video. See you on the next one. Bye.